Running a WooCommerce store? Having trouble staying organized? Orders piling up? Too many manual steps? And carrier systems all over the place? Yeah, we get it. It's frustrating. But here's the good news. You don't have to deal with that anymore. Meet iSend, an Australian-based e-commerce logistics platform that makes shipping simple from start to finish. As your store grows, things don't have to get complicated. With iSend's seamless WooCommerce integration, your orders sync automatically, making your entire fulfillment process smooth and scalable. In this video, we'll walk you through the guidelines and step-by-step process for integrating your WooCommerce store with the iSend dashboard. First, log in to your iSend account by entering your credentials and accessing your dashboard, where all your shipping and store integrations are managed. Once you are inside the dashboard, navigate to the e-commerce stores section, which is where you can manage and connect your online stores. From the available options, select Add WooCommerce Store. Since this is the platform you want to connect, you will now be asked to enter your WooCommerce store details, such as your store URL. Make sure that the URL is correct to ensure a successful connection. So next, you will also need the client ID and client secret credentials. To be able to do that, you need to access your WooCommerce backend. So log in to your WooCommerce admin panel using your store credentials. This needs to be generated directly from the e-commerce client. We will obtain the client ID and other required details there, which is why we need to log in. Once you are logged in, go to the WooCommerce section on the left-hand menu and click on Settings to access the store configuration options. Then click Advanced. Inside the settings page, scroll down until you find the REST API. Then click on it to manage your API integrations. From there, click on the Add Key button to create a new API key that will allow iSend to securely connect to your WooCommerce store. You will now need to fill in the required fields. For description, you can type any name you prefer to identify this integration. For example, iSend integration. For user, you can leave it as the default admin user. For permissions, make sure to select read/write, because this allows iSend to both retrieve and update order information, which is essential for proper syncing. After completing the required fields, click on the Generate API Key button, and the system will automatically generate your API credentials. Once the API key is generated, you will be provided with two important pieces of information, which is the consumer key and the consumer secret. Open your iSend tab and place it beside the WooCommerce tab for easier copy pasting. Now, carefully copy the consumer key and paste it into the client ID field in iSend, making sure there are no extra spaces. Then, copy the consumer secret and paste it into the client secret field in iSend, ensuring that it is entered correctly. Finally, after entering all the required details, click on Continue to WooCommerce to complete the connection process and finalize the integration. That's it. Pretty easy, right? Follow these steps to easily connect your WooCommerce store with iSend, allowing your products and orders to sync seamlessly while keeping carrier tracking accurate and up to date. We're more than just a courier service. We're your partner in scaling and growing your business. See how iSend can help you optimize your WooCommerce shipping for speed, simplicity, and savings. Visit us at isend.com.au.